doing the Sprite challenge and try not to burp. Okay, let's get started. I got a burp, I can feel it. I got a burp, I can't hold it in. Okay, I think I'm done burping now. Bye.